Good morning guys, welcome to the video. It's been a while since we've spoken like this, so I hope you're all doing well. The last few videos I've actually been using the CPL filter on the drone because we've been having some really nice weather, which is rare for here. And that CPL filter, it reduces the glare and the reflection in the shots, but it also makes everything just pop. It makes them skies and the sea look really nice and get some really nice popping saturation colours. But what I want to show you today is the difference between using that CPL filter and how the footage comes out of the drone stock just on auto. Now for the video, I know some people aren't too comfortable getting out of auto and using the manual settings on the Mini 2. So for today, I'm going to be keeping it all auto, because if you've not got the knowledge and you just want to pick that drone up and just use auto, we're just sticking on that CPL filter, and then what I'll do is I'll shoot in the same places without any filter, and then you can compare. To be honest, the auto on this drone is still pretty good, but I just love that look it gives you, that CPL. It's almost like it's edited for you. Everything just looks nice and saturated without overdoing it. I have got a set of 8 which have different ND filters, polarized filters, but this one in nice decent conditions where it's not too bright is just perfect all-round filter. Anyway, enough waffling for me. Take care guys, and hope you enjoy the video. Right guys, so that's the CPL filter on there. So let's take off and let's go and see what it looks like. So we're going to start first with the CPL filter on and do a bit of flying around and show you what it looks like with that filter. How close was that seagull though? So what the CPL filter does, it reduces the glare and reflections from surfaces, so you're getting a much better image, and also it makes everything just look more vibrant and saturated. You'll see that the blues look a lot more saturated and vibrant than they would do without a filter on, but it's a really nice all-round filter that you can use. If it's really bright conditions, then you're going to need a polarized ND filter, but for normal everyday not too bright conditions, then this filter is excellent. But let's go and switch over now to without a filter. Okay, let's take that filter off, and we're going to fly in the same locations again. You'll just notice that without the filter, it still is a really nice image, but the image is a bit more flat and it doesn't pop as much. That's what you're going to get with that CPL filter. The blues are going to look more blue and vibrant. The greens are going to look more green. So you're just getting an overall better poppier image, which is great for Instagram, and you don't really have to edit it at all. But without the filter, you can just edit it yourself and it make the saturation and vibrance a lot higher, and then you'll get a similar look. So I hope from that video you see that the CPL filter, it does enhance your photos and videos and gives that really nice vibrant look to your photos and videos, and I think it comes across really well without being too overly done and too highly edited. This is just straight off the drone, you don't need to do any edits yourself. I hope you found that helpful and useful. The links to the CPL filter is in the description below. Go and check that out if you want, and if you want to buy the drone, DJI Mini 2 is also linked within the description below. Thanks very much for watching guys, take care, and we'll see you for the next video very soon. Bye bye.